Hi guys, Catherine here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize my hair in protective styles, especially like braids. So currently I have this like old fitting braids that I've had for a while. So I want to show you guys how I keep my hair moisturized to avoid breakage when I'm taking the style down. So if you're interested, just keep on watching.
I'm kinda tired of all the wishy-washy. One day you want me and you love me, but the next you say that you just want some space and just some time to focus on yourself.
So here I'm using a cotton pad and micellar water, but you can also use like apple cider vinegar mixed with water to like clean in between the cornrows and just try to get your scalp as clean as possible. I also sometimes go in with like makeup wipes or baby wipes to make sure that I remove every dirt and debris or like accumulated products in my hair. I just use a makeup wipe to make sure that my hair is as clean as possible.
Can we be done with all these stupid games? Yeah, it hurts when you call out my name, but for now I'd rather hurt than play your games.
So my next step is to spray some water on my hair. Moisture is essentially water, so I like to start with water. And the key thing that I wanted to point out here is you have to press things in your hair. You see me currently pressing that water into my hair. You give your hair a better chance of absorbing the moisture if you press it in, because you have extensions in. So whatever you apply on your hair, don't just rub it on. Try to like press it into your hair so it at least gets to your hair. So next I go in with a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizing cream. Here I'm using the Curl and Style Milk from Shea Moisture, and I just try to apply it like in between the cornrows. You just want to try to get it in as much as you can.
I don't need any of your sympathy.
And also I try to focus on the parts of the braid that has my hair. So you can see I'm not really focusing towards the end of the braid because that's just extensions. I focus on the part of the braid that has my hair, and I squeeze in or push in the leave-in conditioner in there to make sure that my hair at least gets the chance to be moisturized.
Can you reciprocate the energy? I don't know if you are feeling me, but
So after your leave-in conditioner or a moisturizing cream, you always want to seal in that moisture with an oil or a butter. Here I'm using an oil, and I'm just applying that, especially now that the weather is cold and really dry. Whatever moisture you apply, you want to seal it in to make sure that your hair stays moisturized for longer.
time to focus on yourself. I'm so fucking sick of all this bullshit. Just because you're a boy, it don't make you a man. And I don't wanna hear you dumb excuse.
Protective styles can add a lot of tension, especially to your edges. So I always try to apply some type of hair growth oil to my edges to stimulate new growth. A style like this can, apply a lot of tension, like cause lots of tension on your edges and cause them to fall off. So here I'm using the virgin hair fertilizer to like stimulate new growth.
Yeah, it hurts when you call out my name, but for now I'd rather hurt than play your games. I'm kinda tired of all the wishy-washy. One day you want me and you love me, but the next you say that you just want some space and just some time to focus on yourself. I'm so fucking sick of all this bullshit. Just because you're a boy, it don't make you a man. And I don't wanna hear you dumb excuse.
Alright, so once I'm done with everything, I apply a plastic bag over my head. I use a hairnet to secure that, and I put like a satin bonnet on my hair. This is to make sure that whatever moisture I've applied gets a chance to like penetrate and get to my actual hair. So typically I'll leave this in for about an hour and then I'm good to go. So this is typically what I would do once a week when I have a protective style in, to make sure that my hair is clean, fresh, and then stays moisturized all through the duration of the protective style. So yeah, please let me know if you like this video and if you will be trying out this method. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.